Hey everyone. If Limbus Company is not loading on your PC, don't worry. This is a common issue on Steam, and you can fix it in just a few minutes. Follow these quick steps carefully. Step by step fix. 1. Open Steam and go to your library. 2. Search for Limbus Company and click on it. 3. Click the gear icon, select Properties. 4. Go to Installed Files. 5. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to finish checking and repairing files. Change compatibility settings. 6. Still in installed files, click Browse. 7. Find Limbus Company.exe. 8. Right-click it. Then, Show More Options. Then, Properties. 9. Open the Compatibility tab. 10. Enable these options. Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Disable full screen optimizations. Run this program as an administrator. 11. Click Apply, then OK. Final step. 12. Restart Steam. 13. Launch Limbus Company again.